Today we're going to make another cuff bracelet, and I'm using memory wire like this one. And for this project you will need beads of your choice, a couple of head pins, your tools, and a few jump rings and some charms. And in this project I chose 3 coils of memory wire. I have already pre-cut mine, so I have 3 coils here, and they have to be about the same length. The first thing, we're going to make a loop at the ends of the wire. Like that. And you do this to all 3 wires. Like that. And I'm gonna string these beautiful purplish different color beads. I don't remember the names, and for fillers I will use this dark bronze uneven seed beads. So now you just string your beads. Now when you're stringing your beads, you have to make another loop. Like so, and then you make the same with the rest of the coils. Now, when you've beaded your coils, you're gonna make an end piece for it. You take a head pin, you cut the end off, and plier, and you make a loop. And the next one, like that. Now we're going to put this together. So I'm just going to add brown on the outside, then one coil, and then the pink one in between. It's a bit too big, so I'm going to take brown ones instead. And then the next coil. I'm going to be able to fit 3 in between. Like the thickest one. Then the brown one, and then you're going to make a loop at the end. First you have to trim it off. There you have it, and then you do the same at the other side. And then one out at the other end. Oh, I dropped one. Put it back on. And then you make a finishing loop. Like that, and then we're going to finish off with putting a charm on. So you need jump rings for that. And then a little cute turtle. Like so. And now you made yourself a nice little cuff. Like that. If you want to secure it even more, you can put up on a clasp in between here if you like to. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.